Hello friends, welcome in my classroom. Friends, as we are continuing with this detailed structure of cell, we have learned about the plasma membrane and cell wall. And about the plasma membrane and cell wall, I have given the description in description box. So you can get the earlier class about plasma membrane and cell wall from my description box. And now in this class, we will learn about the nucleus. So let's start with the nucleus. Nucleus, it is a very important part of the cell because it controls all the activities of the cell and also control the metabolic activities of the cell. If the nucleus is not present in the cell or get died, then the protoplasm of the cell, it automatically dries up and the cell get died. And the nucleus, it also regulates the cell cycle. The nucleus, it is made up of the bilayer of membrane, and that membranes are called the inner membrane and outer membrane. And inclusively they are called or they form the nuclear envelope. It forms the nuclear envelope. And this nuclear envelope helps to separate the nuclear material from the cytoplasmic material. And it consists of the small thin pores that are called the nuclear pores that allow the sum of material, required material transfer from the nucleus to the other parts of the cell. And inside the nucleus, the thread-like structure you are seeing, that are the chromatins. That thread-like structure, that are the chromatin that consist of the DNA and chromosomes. And the DNA, it is also called the deoxyribonucleic acid, and it having the hereditary characters. Yes, the hereditary character that transfer from parents to their offspring. As we also get the sum of characters from our parents. So the DNA, it having the chromosomes in them. The DNA, it having the chromosomes in them, and that chromosomes that consist of the gene over it. And the gene, they helps to transfer the information or help in the coding of the information. We can take an example as in the storage device of the computer, like the floppy, like the CDs. We store the information and then we transfer the same information to another device. As a chromosome, they are having the gene, they also having the coding over the gene that transfer to the offspring. And that's why the offspring, they resembles with their parents. So there is a major function of the DNA, that transfer of the hereditary character from the parents to the offspring. And in the nucleus, the dotted structure, the living fluid inside the nucleus, it is called the nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm, it is a living fluid inside the cell. And the another structure you are seeing here, this is denoted as a nucleolus. And the nucleolus, it forms the ribosomes. Formation of ribosomes takes place in the nucleolus. So it is also called the factory of the ribosomes, and their ribosomes, they are transferred from the nucleoplasm to the cytoplasm or the other parts of the cell to make the complete ribosomes. And the nucleus, it is also connected with the RER, the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum that transmit the substance, the required substance from nucleus to the cell. So this is the basic structure or the basic functioning of the nucleus and the nuclear material. Now, how the chromosomes take part in the hereditary characters, how they pass the character from parents to their offspring. So to continue watching the next videos in which you can learn how chromosome pass the hereditary character from parents to their offspring. Thank you.